Okay, I'm going to be reviewing the Apple Magic Mouse 2 that I just received from Amazon. I paid $74 for this. First thing I noticed is the box is pretty small. I've already taken off the plastic wrap of this, and so we're going to just go ahead and open this up now. All right, and there is the mouse. So one of the things you'll notice that there's no buttons on the surface, and there's no scrolling wheel on this mouse. So it's interesting, and we'll just take it off here. The comes with a set of instructions for Magic Mouse 2, and then if we pull that off, you'll see that it has a lightning cable. All right, so we're gonna get started with this mouse. It pretty sleek looking, and as you can see, it fits in my hand like so. So it's very small form factor, and look at the bottom here. We have a on-off switch, and it comes on like so, and then there is a lightning port at the bottom. So that's how you charge this. Looking at other people who reviewed this mouse, they didn't like the idea that the lightning port was at the bottom of the mouse. They thought somehow Apple should have made it attached to the body somewhere else. But I mean, the length of charge on this mouse is, from what I've read, that it will go for almost a month on a charge. So depending on how you use it, but also it only takes 2 minutes to charge it back up to get 9 hours of use out of it. So 2 minutes, you can leave it setting for 2 minutes to let it charge. So, all right, so now we're gonna attach the mouse. I have to pair it up with the MacBook Pro, but you have to do it by connecting a lightning cable, which I have here. As this MacBook Pro doesn't have USB to lightning cable connection. So because it comes with two Thunderbolt connections, I had to purchase an adapter. So this adapter has a USB port, so I'm able to connect the lightning cable to that adapter. And the way you do this is you connect the connection to the mouse like so, and then turn the on-off switch, turn it to on. All right, and now we have to go find the mouse. All right, and on the system preferences, there's the mouse, and there it is. The mouse comes up, it's connected. It has these different settings that you can select. For by default, it's just the swipe between pages. You have a point and click, and more gestures as your choices. So this mouse has some pretty cool features to it, as we'll demonstrate here shortly. But and it tells you down here the battery level of the mouse, and then you can click here for setting up the mouse for Bluetooth. It's already connected. There it is. So we're now ready to go ahead and we can take the connection off there, and it's now connected. as it shows up there. Now this mouse, once you get it configured the way you want it, I went ahead and selected everything. The secondary click, smart zoom, swipe between pages, swipe between full screen apps, and then mission control. So those are all the different settings you have. And so now, just to demonstrate, this mouse works it's very smooth. It works on this smooth surface. And so we're gonna open up Safari to demonstrate, just like that. And now, because it doesn't have a scrolling wheel, you just touch the surface to scroll. So to scroll this way, you just scroll up and down like that. All right, and then to go back and forth, you can between pages, you can scroll this way or scroll back. So scrolling, very nice, and it's like almost having a touch screen with the mouse. Just you swipe back and forth. As far as the right-left click, this has a right and left click feature to it. So you can open up like Explore page. You can right click there and it brings up the menus there. Or you can left click like so. And then if you double click with two fingers, it displays all of the windows that you have open. So it's a very nice mouse, very smooth. Again, the form factor is very small, but it's very easy to move around in, and the features of being able to touch the top of the screen is really nice feature. So that is my review of the Apple Magic Mouse 2.